Alright guys, this is where a student makes a mistake. You can't see it yet, but just further up, just up here, there is I don't know if you can see that little sign just there. And that's the giveaway sign, but there's markings on the ground and there will be a triangle coming up, and the student basically misses that there's a junction there. What happens is cars will come from this direction here. This is Boreham Wood, by the way, after the national speed limit road. So they come that direction, they whip around there, and there's a giveaway sign just here. So I'm just going to play the video now. Just bear with me, and then you'll see as the student comes up to it, they're not super fast, but they don't realize that these cars are coming around. Like you can see the van, then there's another car coming at the moment, and students not looking. There's markings on the ground, and the examiner has to tell them to stop. So that's all it was. Unfortunately, simple error, but yeah, big error. If cars are coming around, that can be super dangerous. So I'll replay that so you can watch that again. So here we go again. We're at first set of traffic lights, and then we're coming up to the end, and you see the van going past. Look at the ground. Yeah, center line coming up, warning you of the danger. You got the triangle, you got the giveaway double lines. Obviously there was also a giveaway sign on the left as well. So I'll replay that one more time just for you. There we go. So have a look. And that was it. So I hope that helps. Please look out for markings. It's clear on the ground. There are signs on the left. Sometimes the signs, it's hard to see, but if you're not seeing the markings on the ground, then that's a bit of an issue as well. So you really have to keep your wits about you. Even now that there's so much paint on the ground nowadays. As they said before, the more paint there is, then the more hazards there are going to be. So keep an eye out for road signs, road markings. Really, really important.